we, the people from Nuremberg Messe, got the authorization by the Bavarian institution that is fostering the economic development, and it's Bayern International, which is a company that helps small and medium-sized companies to discover new markets. And Croatia would be a very interesting market for Bavarian companies, and so we are trying to get together a pavilion of Bavarian companies at SASO this fall. And we have been granted the job to organize the pavilion and to make the marketing in Bavaria and in Germany. Certainly for the region, being the region to the other neighboring countries, and from what I have heard is that SASO really has a great importance for that economic area here. But the world is big, and it will be very difficult to really make it a truly international trade fair. But being a European trade fair would be a very good next goal. And I'm positive that SASO can achieve that. I'm very impressed. I was here yesterday and I will be here today. I spoke to a couple of exhibitors and they're quite happy. Of course, no one can influence the weather. The rain is bad luck, but the trade fair looks very professional and seems to be a good basis for the Croatian tourism industry. And that's an important function of a trade fair.